The Bucks taking on the Spurs. And what a game this was. 27 points for Giannis, 28 for DeMar DeRozan, 29 for LaMarcus Aldridge. Check out Derek White going coast to coast, throwing down the slam. Nobody stopped the ball. That's what happens when you don't get fundamental. Look at that lob. Right on the money to Giannis. And then DeRozan. He's going to go baseline, make a crazy acrobatic layup. The Bucks still have the lead, but the Spurs, they're going to start imposing their will in a little bit. Giannis with a tough and one layup. And then he looked like he was going to do something crazy, but decided to calm it down at the last second for a layup. Third quarter, the Spurs are going to go on a run. There's a lob to Aldridge. It's a tie game. Aldridge is going to take the lead with the three in the corner. Splash. They left him wide open. What happened there? 1 point lead for the Spurs, and DeRozan gets double teamed, finds Bellinelli for the three. In the fourth quarter, it's a double-digit lead. Bellinelli, another one drops. Now the Bucks are in trouble. They have to double team Aldridge. Bellinelli is still firing though. Splash! They can't stop this Spurs offense, and DeRozan with the spin move and then the tough layup with Giannis defending. 45 seconds. They're going to double team DeRozan, but Patty Mills left wide open in the corner. That's the dagger. Back-to-back green release. 3 in a row. Green release. I'm never missing again. Let's go. Oh, how do I miss the money? Last rack. Oh, sit down. I can't see. Oh, look at that cheese. I can't see the release. He stood up to block the release. Wow, the CPU is cheesing.